What y'all doing?
Having fun.
Did you start that fire?
Uh,
It won't fit, sweetheart. It's okay. Don't push it
you
in.
did?
Huh?
You made the fire.
I did?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. That's so cool.
Daddy, it's not fitting.
I know. Just stick it on the side next to you.
That will work.
Mm-hmm.
Something so I want to It's just, I know. Then look at this funny thing.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, look at this funny thing.
What are we going to make in a minute?
Some chocolate s'mores.
Yeah?
And some marshmallows because we don't have it.
Where's Camila?
Pass out.
She's asleep?
Yep.
I'll get my sleeping bag out in a minute.
Yay! What's that sleeping bag?
It's inside.
Wait, Daddy, are we gonna sleep in the back of the truck?
We can hang out back there for a little bit. When we run out of firewood, we'll go in there and I'll turn that Mr. Buddy heater on and then a sleeping bag and you guys can relax.
Yep.
That'd be nice, huh? We'll go down by the beach in a little while. Okay?